Let's start. Today we will see how to remove this Activate Windows watermark from the free version of Windows. Open the search box and type regedit. In this panel, click the Local Machine option. Then expand the System option. Then expand the Current Control Set option. Then expand the Services option. Then scroll down until you find this SVSVC option. Double-click this Start option. Here, the default value will be 3. Change it to 4 like this. Click OK. And close this. Then open the command prompt. Type GP update command and press Enter. Let the process complete like this. Then restart your computer. Once restarted, you will see that the Activate Windows watermark mark is gone. Beware, this is not a permanent solution, and the next time you put the computer to sleep or restart it, the watermark will appear again. To remove the watermark again, apply the GP update command again as shown earlier, and restart the computer. So that's it. That's how you can remove the Activate Windows watermark from your computer. Thank you.